Jan. Ilagan. Tuck your shirt. Tuck in shirt. Alright. Jump ball between Ian Sapasak and Kenji Rodrigo. First position goes to Snapix. Japet Ortego 2 points. Okay. Ian to Maki. Almost stolen, recovered by Ian. 6 to shoot. Maki Gabito 2 points. John, pass to Ian. Ivan for 3. Bang! Ivan Apolonio, 3 points. Maki 2. Ian Sapasak 2 points for Ian, assist by Maki Gabito. Japet back to Ivan. Ivan to Ian. Ball stolen by Ian Sapasak. Ian 2 points for Ian Sapasak. No good. Rebound by Alegre. Pass to Jackson Guam. Ball stolen by Ivan Apolonio. Pass to Japet. No good. Rivera, pass to Gabito, Mac 3. No good. Rebound by Ian Apolonio. Sorry. Jack lost Daniel, pass to Janis, foul. Foul number 21, Mark Alegre. First personal foul, first team foul. Ivan for 3, no good. Rebound by Justin Gua. Justin, pass to Maki. Maki jumper no good, rebound by Reniera. Justin no good, another rebound for Niera. Reniera 2 points. Eight 5 in favor of Aces. Gun miss jumper. Niera. Ian to Mark Alegre. 2 points for Mark Alegre, assist by Ian Sapasak. Ian Apolonio, jumpers in. 3-point lead by North Aces. Justin Duarte, Justin. To Gabito. Back to Justin. Justin in foul. Foul number 10, Japet Ortega. First personal foul for Japet, first team foul. Snapping. Alegre. Mark, no good. Foul number 9, Ian Sapasak. John. Almost Gonzaga, pass to Ivan. To Japet for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Kenny Rodrigo. Ivan Apolonio, release ball foul. Sino? Justin Joa, 3 points. 6-point lead by Aces. Ivan for 3, too strong. Rebound by Maki Gabito. Layup by Maki Slim, 2 points for Maki Gabito. Next time out, rep. KG. No good, there is on miss. Dito Ian. Ian Apolonio, 2 points. Mark to Justin to Gabito, back to Alegre, Mark, Araba. Time out, Jeff, time out. Time out, Snappy. Time out, please. Score is 15-9 in favor of Aces. Alright, back to the ball game. Snapping ball. Biko nasa loob nun. Dapat. Justin jumper, no good. Rebound by Ivan Apolonio. Ian. John. 5 to shoot. Bito, no good. Rebound by Ian sa pasak. Mark Alegre for boys. Ivan for 3, too strong. Rebound by Ian. Ian jumper, no good. Rebound by Vigas Guerra. John back to Vico. Ivan to John. For no good. Rebound by Jasin Guag. Rebound by Lucas Guerra. Ivan miss. Maki open three. No good. Rebound by Ian Apolonio. John, jumper, John Ilagan, 2 points, assist by Ian Apolonio. 17-13 in favor of Aces. Maki to Justin, 3 points, no good. Rebound by Lucas Guerra. Fifteen seconds. Can you no good get it on this? Foul. Foul number 9. Ian sa pasak. Second personal foul for Ian. 13 foul. 2 shots. 2 shots for Kenji. Walang oras na, walang oras. Alright, start of our second quarter. Justin pass to Ian to Alegre. Mark Alegre, 2 points. Assist by Ian sa pasak. Japet to Ian. Ian, no good. Rebound by Justin. John Ilagan, 2 points. Maki. Ian. Maki, no good. Rebound by Ian Apolonio. John. Jacket to Beatles to Ian. Layup is in for Ian. Assist by Lucas Guerra. Ladies down to 17. Maki jumper is in by Maki Gabito. Assist by Justin Dua. Japet, pass to Kennedy. Next subject, turning call substitution. Ian out for Ivan Apolonio. Mark. Pass to Ian sa pasak. Ian. Jumper in for Ian sa pasak. Assist by Mark Alegre. (23-17) back to 6-point lead. My North East. For 3, too strong. Rebound by Vico. No good. Rebound by Ian. Napasak. Out of bound. Ivan, rebound by Mark Alegre. Foul number 10, Japet. Second personal foul for Japet. Masuk. Maki switch to Petro. Foul number 0, Maki Petro. Ivan. Little screen by Kenji Rodrigo. Second personal foul for Kenji. Early. John Ilagan for 3, too strong. Rebound by Earl De Roma. Justin. Fadeaway jumper by Justin is in. 2 points for Justin Guam. Justin now has 5 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist. To Ivan. And 1 for Ivan. Apolonio. For Mark Alegre. Ito gusto. Ano daw yan? Three-point sana yun. Ball stolen by Japet Ortego. No good, gets no release. To John Ilagan, John no good. Maya dito, 3 points. Nine-point lead by Aces. Ivan Drop it. John Ilagan, 2 points. Next up, Earl. Wide open 3. No good. Rebound by Japet Ortego. Ivan. To John Ilaga, 2 points. Assist by Ivan Apolonio. Next up, lead is down to 5, 29-24 in favor of 8. Timeout pa lang. Earl de Roma. Boy, stolen. Ivan to Gabi. Back to John. Timeout. Timeout. Aces. Bilang, pinilang tayo. Foul number 25, Ivan Apolonio. Second personal foul for Ivan. Justin, 2 points. Naligtas yun ah. Ivan, jumper no good. My dear block. Ay, isang yan. Ituloy lang ang laban. Ian, is foul. Foul number 11, first personal foul for Justin. Warning for penalty. Five to shoot. We start the clock at 10 seconds. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball, black ball. hit. Black hole. Tama yan. Walang points pa. John. Foul. Number 9, Ian sa pass up. 2 shots. Ian, third personal foul for Ian. Justin, tatlo na si Ian. Alright, back to the ball. Alright, back to the ball game, third quarter. White ball, black ball. Black ball. Ivan for 3. Ayala Polono. 3 points. One point lead by Aces. Earl. Back to Justin. Pass to Maki. In and out. Save ball. 14 seconds. Earl wide open. Too strong rebound by Ivan. Ian. To John, using the board, no good, rebound by Earl. Foul number 10, Japet Ortega. Third personal foul for Japet. Ay, hindi ba? Ayun, 20. Sorry. Dali lagan pa. Justin for 3. Bang! Justin Guag. 3 points. Ian. Behind the back. Almost stolen. Recovered. Pass to John. To Kenji. Kenji attacks. To John. Shot. Foul. personal foul for Mark Alegre. Wishbone free throws. Rebound by Mark Alegre. Justin. Jumper. Justin Guab. 2 points. Six-point lead by SS Kenji. Kenji Rodri. 2 points. Assist by Ilagan. There's Justin. Yeah, no good. Ball stolen by Ian sa pass up. Ian, pass to Alegre. To Justin. Justin. To block by Gapet Ortego. Ian, 2 points for John Ilagan, assist by Ivan Apolonio. 2-point lead by SS, 34-36. Next subject, ball stolen by Kenji Rodrigo. Subject, Japet out for Nako, yari ka na, Justin. Ayan na yung ano mo. Kryptonite mo. Alegre. 2. Sa pasap. Sa pasap. 2 points. Assist by Mark Alegre. Ivan. To Ian. Block. Araban. Kenji Rodrigo, 2 points. Alegre wide open. Rebound by Justin Guab. Justin to Earl. Maki back to Earl. To Ian, no good. Rebound by the passer. Noble Pantaleon to Burns. We are now tied at 38. Maki missed 3 points. Justin pass to Gabito. Foul. Foul number 18, Ian Apolonio. First personal foul for Ian. Time out. Time out block. for Maki Gabito. Score is 39-38, 1 point lead by Aces. Kenji steals, pass to Ian. No good, Kenji. Not counted. Foul number 1 for the Roma. No count. Ivan jumper, 2 points for Ivan Apolonio. Aces, Snapping take the lead, 40-39, 1 point lead by Snapping. Mark is no good, rebound by Colin by Earl de Roma. Up and under, Earl de Roma, 2 points. Another steal by the pass up. No good. Ian too strong. Oh. Excited. Noble wide open 3. Noble Pantano. 3 points. 2 points. 2 points lang. Next side lang ang madla. Justin pass to Maki. Layup by Maki in 2 points for Maki Gabito. One point lead by Aces. Two points for Ian Apolonio. 15 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Five to shoot. 4 seconds. 2 seconds, floater by beat the buzzer beater. 2 points for Earl de Roma, 45-44. 1 point lead by North Aces. No more pang-type yun. Points. Pearl, 3-point. Two-stroke rebound by Atman Apolonio. Japet. Japet for three. Bang! Japet for Taylor. 3 points. Slavics again regain the lead. 47-45. Black. Foul number 2. Tatlo lang. Hindi, score naman yan. Third personal foul for Japet Ortego. Five to shoot. Shoot to shoot. Justin to Gabito, 2 points for Magalito at least by Justin Guam. Aces now is to lead, 2-point lead for North Aces. Pass to Ian. No good, rebound by Kenji Rodrigo. Foul number 1, Earl De Roma. Second personal foul for Earl. First team foul for Aces. Ian. Japet. Maki pass to Ian, back to Maki Gabito, 2 points. Time out. Napix. (47-51) in favor of Aces. Ivan. To Japet. Back to Ivan. To KG. Pass is too strong. Black ball. Sapa. John. Jumper no good, rebound by Japet. Japet Ortego. 2 points for Japet Ortego. Foul number 10, Japet, ito totoo na to. Fourth personal foul for Japet Ortego. Wala na, dalawa na. Japet back to Ivan. Ivan takes jumper. Ivan Apolonio. 2 points. 1 point lead by Aces. Maki! Tutong, rebound, Kelly. Abay, 4-on-1. John Ilagan 2 points. Sapit again. Take the lead, 53-52. With 4 minutes, 15 seconds remaining on the ball game. Mark pass to Earl. Back to Mark. Justin. Pass to Earl. Earl Roma, 2 points. Assist by Justin Gua. 1 point lead by Aces. Can be rebound by Mark Negre. Justin too strong. Pension rebound by Kenji Rodrigo. Pass to John. John no good. Rebound by Mark Negre. Justin. Jumper! Yes! Rebound by Ian Apolonio. Ian. Attack! Ian Apolonio. 2 points. Maki! Pass away! Wide open 3! Rebound by John Ilagan. One point lead by Snap with 2 minutes, 25 seconds. John, no good rebound by Maki na dito. Pass to Justin. Justin asking for screen. Justin! No ball rebound. Turnover. Timeout White. One point lead by Snapik, 55-54 with 2 minutes to get on the ball game. 2 points by John, assist by Ivan Apolonio. Score 57-54 in favor of Snapix. Justin wide open! Too strong! Rebound by Ian sa pasak. Ian sa pasak, 2 points. One minute left, 57-56, 1 point lead. John, back to Ivan. Nice work by Ivan Apolonio, 2 points. Take by Ivan. Out of bounds. Start na. Foul, goal. Just foul it. Foul number 11, Justin Guap. Second personal foul for Justin. Second team foul. Ivan, to John. Foul, goal. Foul number 9, Ian sa pasak. Fourth personal foul for Ian. Third team foul. 11 seconds. Foul. Who's foul left, sorry? Number 1, Mark Alegre. Fourth personal foul for Mark Alegre. Ian. Foul. Number 91, Mark Alegre. Mark. Foul out. Hey. Foul out na si Mark. Penalty. Time out, left, time out. Time out, block. One timeout each. One timeout each team. Alright? Both teams have one timeout. Two shots for Johnny Laga. First shot is in for Johnny Laga. Two for Johnny Laga. Timeout White. Last timeout for White. 61-56 with 12.4 seconds remaining on our shot clock, on our ball game. Very crucial ang game na ito. Ito ang makidikta ng next game. 12.4 seconds remaining on our game. Aaron. Two points by Aaron De Loma. Foul is called. Foul number 0, Ma'am Evito. Second personal foul. 4.4. Kenji Rebungo. Kenji. That's the end of our ball game. Congratulations to Snapix for winning the ball game. Second game, between Aces and Snapix.